Hi there, have you tried Malabar Spinach Fritters? They turn out delicious and have quite a distinct taste. In this video, we are making two easy fritters. You'll be able to enjoy them with tea or even with dal chawal. Really. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? This is Malabar Spinach or Pui Shaak in Bengali. And this is the star ingredient for today's recipe. Wash and clean the leaves of the Malabar spinach thoroughly and then stack them up and chop them. I am slicing them thinly. So take a bowl and add in the shredded leaves. I saved some potato peel that I have chopped up finely and some pumpkin peel chopped up finely. So I'll add in the potato peel. This is about 2 tablespoons and the pumpkin peel about 2.5 tablespoons. 1 thinly sliced onion, medium sized. I'll add in salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon of onion seeds, kalonji, red chili powder according to your taste, and turmeric powder, rice flour 1.5 tablespoons, besan gram flour 1.5 tablespoon. Then just mix everything together. So I've added salt to the mixture and soon the onion and the leaves will start releasing water. So I've been doing this for about a minute and the mixture is already moist. Keep crushing them and mixing them. So I'll leave this to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm checking after 10 minutes and clearly it has released a lot of moisture. You can actually shape it if you press it in your fist. I'll add in a tablespoon of besan and then mix it to see how it holds. Okay, so I'll add in some more. A tablespoon of besan or gram flour and 1/2 tablespoon of rice flour. So this is what you are looking for. So let's shape the vadas. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Just make sure that it holds its shape. So use up the entire mixture to make balls and then flatten into the vada shape. Now for the vadas, just lower the heat to medium because we need to cook the potato and the pumpkin. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Turn them over after a minute and cook them on medium heat. So this is after about another 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. I'll keep turning them over and cook them till they are done. These are done. So typically they should take about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat to cook through and through, and they have become quite crispy on the outside. Try the rest. To coat the leaves, we'll make a batter with 2 tablespoons of besan, gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of maida all-purpose flour, 1/3 teaspoon of kalonji onion seeds, tiny bit of turmeric, haldi powder, red chili powder to taste, salt 1/3 teaspoon, add water little at a time to make a thick paste. You could skip the all-purpose flour and replace it by besan or gram flour. That looks done. We'll adjust the consistency if required right before frying it. Give it a whisk. I like to use leaves that are slightly smaller in size and are not bent. So just coat the leaves on either side with the batter and put them in the hot oil. I'm using mustard oil to deep fry the pakodas or vadas. This is exactly the Bengali style. That will become nice and crispy. That has turned golden in color and it's quite crispy. Drain it on absorbent paper. Fry the rest. Sprinkle some black salt right before you serve them. Serve the crispy fritters with kasundi, chutney or any sauce that you like. Enjoy!